Oh God, Kuzy's gotta go pro. Bad things are about to happen. That's special day for me, seriously. And I try and never watch about my game and talk, but today we can talk a little bit. Like late Christmas present for you. That's a big memory for sure in my head. Yeah, this day, all day, you know. Yeah. Not talk to you, you know. A little bit sweat.
A little nervous?
A little bit, yeah. But this is the good nervous, you know.
Kenny, thank you for your time.
Kuzy, what's up, man?
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thanks.
How you doing? What's
Good.
going on?
A lot of talk.
Is there anybody you're going to see here this weekend that you'd like to maybe spend 5 minutes talking to, pick their brain a little bit?
I'm not gonna tell you. Most of the time I just lose the face off and skate without puck 45 seconds.
Are you now a country music fan?
No, never. Russian songs, yeah, I will do, but not in English. My wife pretty happy too because we have a 8-month-old daughter, and any trip is good for my wife right now, you know.
So did you call your parents? And what was their reaction?
I just call them like, hey, I maybe go in the All-Star game. So, you know, I can't hold this news. I gotta say something about that. The Paul Pogba did one, and a soccer player. He does that. Boom.
Yeah, where's your time?
How are you gonna feel if like 15 minutes?
See you last night from Instagram. I'm looking good again.
Sick.
Leo said he was surprised by how good your English is. Has it gotten a lot better?
Does he say?
Yeah.
Don't trust him. Never. Half Russian, half Finnish, half Estonian. No. No, I'm kidding. He's the really nice guy.
You're smiling a lot, laughing a lot. You ever do stand-up comedy?
Comedy? No, just go dinner wherever with the Russian guys.
Yeah.
Late night. Yeah, we make some funny things.
Don't ask him a smart question.
A lot of guys are at the islands in the Bahamas, but you're here, so what are you going to do?
It's a nice question, but what do you think about Andrei Burakovsky doing right now? He gonna read a book right now, something about the planes.
I think Andrei Burakovsky is reading about the system.
Yeah, appreciate it. What's up?
Looking like Kuzy.
No, you go. You lead the way.
Thank you, guys. Going up?
Go ahead.
A lot of people. Oh, it's a lot of people. Michael Jackson, mom. Woo. I can sing. They need my love.
From the league-leading Washington Capitals, Evgeny Kuznetsov.
I love your suit. It's great.
Thanks. Everything for you.
Thank
Everything
you so
for you.
much.
Corey Hurst.
Not me. Alex Ovechkin.
He looks really comfortable out there and got good confidence, and he's been playing really well. And I'm really happy for him that he made it.
He's a top offensive player in the National Hockey League, and he's still very young. So I think, again, we're all wondering how much more he can give, and the answer to that is probably a lot.
I don't know that people understand how gifted he is.
Wow. What can you say? I mean, as of he's a top 10 scorer in the league right now.
Kuznetsov is one of the great young stars. He will be fantastic in this format. He's got a great personality.
This is a good chance for fans to get a sense of how good Evgeny Kuznetsov is.
So you won't wear a cowboy hat and glasses in the skills competition?
Russian guy, how can I wear the cowboy hat? Come on. I'm gonna take the right stick and skate like his kid. Put this on?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Jersey?
Hat, right? Hat, sunglasses.
Oh.
Washington Capitals, Evgeny Kuznetsov.
Evgeny Kuznetsov thinking, what is going on?
Fire a slap shot right at it, Kuzy, right at it. Oh, so Kuznetsov, who was a lefty, came in, used a righty stick to try to score righty.
So the cowboy hat, the glasses, was that like trying to do what Ovechkin did a couple of years ago?
Yeah, like a copy, but not a good copy. He okay with that because I buy some hats and jersey for him, so he's okay with that.
And how about Kuznetsov's passing display? 1, 2, and then 3. 3 for 3. That's unbelievable to do that. From the Washington Capitals, number 92, Evgeny Kuznetsov.
Started. Justin Falk on a cross. Twisting with it now and shooting one.
I didn't see the lane and just shoot in the net, so it was empty net. I think every player wants to score in All-Star, but even if you not score, you have a lot of fun and you enjoy it for sure. And this is the new level for me in all organization, and it's pretty fantastic for me.